The Blueprint of a Legend, Episode 1, Designing the McLaren W1, the carbon fiber chassis and skeleton form in midnight shadow.
Defining the Beast, Episode 2, the body, gull-wing doors, and bumpers of McLaren W1 in midnight shadow. The Legend is Reborn, Episode 4, the V8 engine roars in championship silver. The McLaren W1 takes over the road, midnight shadow. Evolution starts here. The carbon fiber chassis and skeleton of McLaren Artura Spider, sculpted by the wind. The main body, dihedral doors, and bumpers of McLaren Artura Spider. Precision in focus. The lights, glass, and cockpit of McLaren Artura Spider Flux Green. The V6 hybrid roars, the engine of McLaren Artura Spider in championship silver. A legend is reborn. The legend begins. From a digital blueprint to a metallic silver soul, the AMG GT 63 Pro's high-strength chassis is forged in seconds. Inside the metallic silver beast, the cockpit awakens. The V8 heart is lowered in, every bolt tightened at the speed of thought. Forgotten by time, a fallen king buried in rust and dust. It looks like the end of the road.
But every legend deserves a second chance. We start by washing away the years of neglect, stripping back the decay to reveal the soul of the machine. The metal is still strong.
Under the hood, the heart begins to beat again. Pure, powerful, and ready to roar.
A touch of fire, a coat of passion. The transformation is finally complete.
It's no longer a relic. It's a masterpiece, ready to claim its throne once more.
Back where it belongs, tearing up the asphalt and chasing the horizon.
Witness the revival. The legend is reborn.
The sun rises over the Alps, but the real heat comes from this blue Toyota GR Supra. Pure power meeting frozen peaks. Shifting gears in the golden sands, watch this blue Toyota GR Supra kick up a storm. It doesn't just drive, it conquers.
Smelling rubber, seeing ghosts. The blue Toyota GR Supra screams as it leaves a cloud of smoke behind.